The Flinders Ranges region has a lot to offer its tourists, but according to local tourism development manager Stephen Schwer, more can be done.
We want to see more environmentally sustainable tourism in the region, things like hang gliding, paragliding, all those kinds of setups with scenic flights and helicopter flights. We also want to see more adventure tourism, so rock climbing, abseiling, orienteering, row gaining, geocaching, all of those kinds of products. We want to see those develop, so we were able to feed all of that into the document.
Local regional development agencies, the Council and the South Australian Tourism Commission have worked together to put a new destination action plan in motion.
The Flinders Ranges is one of the really important regions of the state. It's the first of the plans we're doing, destination action plans we're doing. We're doing one for each region, and we've also, of the 11 regions outside Adelaide, and we've also actually doing a special one for the Outback.
Organisers will now work to attract new investment in tourism to the region, as well as continuing working with existing businesses.
And I think people do need to see things done. A lot of work's gone in the region planning, so it's action focused, and I think over the next 3 years people will see real tangible outcomes of the agency's investment.
The plan has been put in place not only to encourage growth in the local tourism industry, but to create more jobs across the region.
Something a lot of people don't quite understand about tourism is that it's all about jobs creation, it's economic development. So our end game is how many jobs have we created. So the tourists are obviously the way that we create those jobs. To cater for tourists though, we need to be providing product.
Amy Phillips, Southern Cross News.